Welcome to Yoga After 40. My name is Paola, and I'm so happy that you're here today because if you're feeling stiff this morning, there is a simple biological reason for it. While you sleep, your body temperature drops and the fluids inside your joints get thicker, almost like a gel. At the same time, your connective tissues lose hydration and become sticky, locking up your range of motion. The only way to reverse this is through movement that warms up the fluids and pumps it back into your joints. So in today's class, we're going to be doing about 10 to 15 minute yoga routine to systematically restore that mobility and rebuild your functional baseline. And to support that rebuilding process, I always recommend Forever Strong supplements 3-in-1 formula, whey protein, collagen, and colostrum for joint health that really works. I'm gonna leave you guys the link in here. Check it out, please, and let me know how much you like them. And let's begin because today we're gonna feel amazing. So by the time you're done with this class, you're gonna feel rejuvenated. Again, today we're gonna start in the middle of the mat, crisscross applesauce, Sukhasana, easy pose. Taking a moment to connect to the breath and allowing that breath and body connection throughout the whole class. So take your hands to the knees, roll the shoulders back so you're sitting up tall in here. Relaxing all the muscles in your face. Taking deep inhales through the nose. And long and full exhales through the nose. Rise in the belly on the inhale. And deflating the belly on the exhale. Now if your eyes are closed, gently open the eyes. And now on the inhale, take the arms all the way up. And on the exhale, we take the right arm behind the back and the left hand to the right knee, looking over the right shoulder for a twist. Inhale, reach both arms all the way up. Exhale, right hand to left knee, left arm behind the back. Inhale, reach both arms all the way up. Exhale, take the hands to the mat, coming into your tabletop for your cat-cows. So shoulders over the wrist and hips over the knees. Slightly look up, shoulders away from the ears. Drop the belly. Take a deep breath in. And then on the exhale, round the spine, press the mat away. Navel in. Inhale, come into your cow. Exhale, cat. Pressing the ground away, rounding the spine, exaggerating the move. Inhale, come up. Shoulders away from the ears, drop the belly. Exhale, round the spine, chin to chest, hollowing cat. Taking one more in here. Inhale. Exhale. Coming back to center. We're going to bring the knees a little closer together. And now we're going to take the right leg up. Keep the right knee bent. And now make circles with the right knee. Making those circles big and round. Now go around the opposite. Getting to the hip flexors. Now find stillness, and we're gonna step the right foot forward. So now our right knee stack over the right heel. Sending the hips forward and up. Keeping the left leg in one straight line from the hip to the toes. Taking the hands to the right knee. Maybe you take your hands to blocks, or you can place books on top of each other. So doing whatever feels good for you. Now we're gonna take the hands to the mat or to blocks, and we're gonna start coming into the left knee. Now your right leg straight, flex your foot the way you're stretching the whole back side of the right leg. Straight back in here, lengthening, looking forward. Take a deep breath in. And then on your exhale, start folding over the right knee. Again, keep lengthening the spine, keeping it straight back. Now slightly look up. And now we're gonna take the left hand over the right leg and walk both hands towards the right side. Pivot your right foot out so you keep one natural straight line off the right leg. We're sending the right hip back and the left hip forward. Stay here for one more breath. And then slowly unwind. Bend the right leg, take it back, coming back into your tabletop. Now we're gonna take the left leg up. Keep the left knee bent, and now make circles with the left leg. It's big and round circles. Connect the breath and move. Now go around the opposite way. Find stillness, and now step your left leg forward, stacking the left knee over the left heel, sending the hips forward and up. Hands to the knees. Maybe you take the hands to the mat, to blocks, to books. Feeling the stretch right here on your psoas. Coming into your half split, we're gonna take the hands to the mat. And we're gonna be coming into the right knee. Flex your left foot, keeping the hips over the knees. Straight back, look up, inhale, and then exhale, start folding over the left leg. Now come up halfway, take your right hand over the left leg and start walking both hands towards the left side. Pivot your left foot out so you keep your one natural straight line of the left leg. Unwind, walking both hands to look forward, square the hips, take your left leg back. And we're coming into some dancing lions, so we're gonna take the hips back to the heels, and we're gonna start making some circles in here. And now go around the other way. Beautiful. Come back to your tabletop. And now we're gonna lay flat on our backs, taking the knees to the chest, giving ourselves a hug. Rocking from side to side. That feels good. Coming into your reclined pigeon or figure four, we're going to take the right foot on top of the left knee. And you can thread the right arm under the right leg, interlacing both hands at the left knee. Flexing your right foot. You can deepen the pose by taking the left leg a little closer to the chest. Keeping the sit bound on the mat. Using the strength of the arms to pull the left leg a little closer. Now go ahead and release and take your left foot on top of the right knee. Thread the needle, left arm under the left leg, right hand to the side. One more breath in here. Release. Take both feet to the mat width apart, arms by the side. And now windshield the legs in and out. Bring the knees to the chest, round the spine, give yourself a hug, forehead to knees. Engage your core. Arms by the side, legs up the wall, taking the legs all the way up. Now start making circles with your feet, point, flex. For our last pose, happy baby. Now bend the knees, grab the outside of your feet. Knees facing out. If you can grab the outside of your feet, maybe you grab the legs. Maybe you grab a strap, belt. You can rock side to side. That feels good to massage your lower back. Taking the feet together for your reclined butterfly. Pressing the feet to the hands, bringing the elbows to the inside so your elbows are hugging the rib cage. Knees are facing to the side. Now go ahead and release both feet to the mat. Keeping the knees facing out. Left hand to the heart, right hand to the belly, letting the armpits breathe. Closing the eyes. Taking this moment to surrender, to let it go. And if you made it this far, I want to ask you to please go ahead and give me a like, share, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to keep practicing with me, you can go ahead and download my app right here. And in this beautiful app, not only you have the option to practice with me, which I'll be happy to see you inside the app, but then you also get the opportunity to upload a picture or a video of yourself, and AI will give you instant real-time feedback on your practice, letting you know what to improve. So that way you can optimize your time and you can optimize your practice. And if you have any comments, any questions, please let me know in the comment section below what you want to see next. Remember, I'm here for you, and together we want to build a community of strong people over 40. I hope to see you guys in the next class, and wherever you are, I wish you a beautiful and blessed day. And I don't know about you guys, but I want to stay here for a little longer.